What's up, guys? So today we have another unboxing. So we have two unboxings. One is Latam Airlines and one is Israel Airlines. So yeah, before we start, like and subscribe to this video for more unboxings like this, and let's get right into it. Alright, so first we're gonna do the Israel Airlines. Let's open that. Take this piece out. Take the cardboard, and here it is, the airline itself. It's not really easy to pronounce. Well, you can't even pronounce that part, but Americans called Israel Airlines. So I'm gonna get some scissors like that. Boom, boom. Alright. So yeah, I would say it's a pretty interesting airline. I've never heard of it, but now I know what it is. It's really interesting. I've never seen like an unboxing for Israel Airlines before, but yeah. So I'm gonna put it over here by the box. Right now we have Latam Airlines or Latam. Okay. Take the package out like that. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, there. Here's Latam Airlines. Yes, I've heard of this before, unlike the Israel Airlines, but yeah, I'm kind of familiar with Latam Airlines. Here it is. And no, I don't think it's American Airlines. No, it's not American Airlines. So yeah. So we got these two. They're both 787, so that's what they have in common. They're not American Airlines. So yeah. Here's them together right there. So yeah, like and subscribe for more content like this, and bye.